Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. How do you pronounce your name, please?
It's eBay.
eBay. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Which state are you from?
I'm in the US here. I'm in Texas.
Texas. Okay.
Yes. I'm in Houston. Yes, Houston, Texas.
That's great.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really happy.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Yes.
Could you please tell me in brief what is your major? Do you have bachelor degree?
Yes, I have bachelor's and master's.
Okay. So what is your major, please?
I had a computer information system when I did, and I had an MBA.
Wonderful. So you have MBA.
Yeah, I have, everything have kind of changed a bit.
And also MA in computer science, MSc.
No, just a MA.
Okay, MA. Okay.
Yeah, it's Masters of Arts in Management.
Wonderful, wonderful. And you have training on manual testing?
Yes, I trained on the operation side of DevOps, learn things like Jenkins, learn, like scheduling softwares like Jira, know how to work with Kubernetes as far as deployment. I did learn also the manual QA testing, not the automated, but manual.
Okay. Are you familiar with any programming language?
I did some I do know some scripting a bit, but it's basic scripting.
Okay.
Yes, I don't know things like C++ and Java and all that stuff.
Okay.
Not much, no.
If you don't mind, what are you doing for your living right now?
I'm working for a company. It's kind of a management, remote right now. Yeah, so I'm just like a business analyst at this point, yes.
Okay. So you are a manager. Are you making more than 85K?
Not right now.
Okay.
I did before, but not right now.
75K.
What I'm making now is 70.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So what is your plan right now? What you want to become? What you want to achieve from this?
I want to get into if it's automation, get into it. I just need guidance and
How many years you are working as a BA?
like my job right now, like in this field, I've been in this field maybe the last maybe 5 years.
5 years.
Not the same job, but different companies, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, if we prepare your resume and start marketing, will your boss, I mean your maybe lead, will he allow you to use his reference?
Sure.
Okay. And how long you are with current office or company? How long?
1 year. This one for a year now.
Okay. Okay. So it will help you to get into your automation very easily, I believe, and we can help you.
Okay.
Okay. So you already know manual testing, and you are handling almost all tools and technology right now, like you are handling Jira, you are handling Jenkins, okay?
Uh-huh.
Maybe you are handling also Maven, right?
Yes.
And you are also handling Git and GitHub.
Yeah, just on the
Okay,
operation side,
okay, okay.
yes.
So now what you need is you need to learn either Python programming. That is very easy language. We can help you to learn it from scratch,
Really? Wow.
or you can learn Java. No, companies are not very quickly, slowly moving into Python day by day.
Uh-huh.
But still, Java is dominating the market.
I see.
Java is dominating. Like Python, you have 100 jobs, say for example, okay, 100 jobs. And maybe people are here just 1,000 looking for this job, say for example.
Yes.
So you are competing 10 people, okay?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
In Java, job is like 10K, say for example, and you are competing with 200K, say for example. So
Yeah.
competition is a little more here, 20 people competing for one job.
I
And
see.
here, 10 people, okay?
Yes.
But job is more available here. But if you think about the ratio, definitely a little bit competition here. Right?
Okay.
But we can work with Java since you have minimal testing
Yes.
experience and you know business analytics well.
Yes.
So it will be easier for you to transition from BA to automation.
Yes.
And automation usually starts with 85K
Yeah.
since you have 5 years experience.
Yes.
And before working as a BA, you also work in the IT industry, right?
Yes.
How long?
Um, I'll say off and on, say probably I'll say the last 7 years, really. Yes.
Total 7 years.
Yes.
Okay. So it's your plus point, and you are working, working business analyst.
Yes.
So it will help you to get job. Usually you can start making 85K to 8, 10K. Now, to learn any programming language, it might take 2 to 3 months. And learning automation will be very quick if you understand and practice any programming language well. It
Uh-huh.
might take just 1 month. So around 4 months, you have to invest your time to learn automation. Okay. 2 to 3 months is learning a programming language, and 1 month to learn automation. Once you understand programming language, you can learn half framework in just 1 month. And to become automation engineer, you have to learn just one framework well. Most of the companies are now either using TestNG, TestNG. TestNG is test next generation. This is framework, Java framework.
Yes.
Or they are using BDD Cucumber, BDD, behavior-driven development. This is also framework. So to get into automation world, either you have to master either TestNG or BDD. Okay, both are popular. Some companies are using this, some are using this. Still, it is dominating, but it's getting more and more popular day by day.
Yes.
Okay. What we do, we don't just choose either one. First, we teach Java. You can choose Python also, but we prefer Java. We teach either of these up to professional level, pro level, okay? And you can choose either one, this one or this one. Then we will teach you another one up to intermediate level. Usually to stand out from the crowd, if you can tell during the interview, I'm very good in TestNG and I'm familiar with BDD Cucumber. I can develop test framework from scratch. I'm not expert, but I can develop a framework. It will stand out you from the crowd because people are either learning this or this, either one. Since you know both, you can stand out. And what we do as a bonus, we teach Python very basic level to understand how this automation works in Python. And we teach PyTest framework so that there are some companies who are working on both Java and Python in case they need you with Python so that they can just give you, they provide KT. You're familiar with KT, right?
Yes.
KT. So they exactly give you 10 hours or 20 hours video, exactly how they are working, what framework they are working. They just give you sample. You go through KT. If you understand TestNG, you really understand what they are talking about, and you can pick up in just 1 or 2 weeks, and you can start working. The same way, if they provided KP on PyTest, say for example, they are working on PyTest framework, you can pick up in just 2 weeks if you understand automation fundamentals. Okay. So if you join our training and job placement program, we will teach you Java. We will teach you TestNG well. Then we will teach BDD Cucumber up to intermediate level or vice versa. And we will make you familiar with Python and PyTest just to stand out from the crowd. Okay?
Yes.
And we will start marketing your resume in the 4th month. After 3rd month, once you complete Java programming and just know testing core concept, now you can start going to the job market, face a couple of interviews and see how they are asking you questions on which topic most, so that you can crack the interview.
Yes.
This is one route. Okay. Since you are talking about automation, it will be really easy for you. If you want to take another route, that is Java developer, that will be really easier to get job. Okay.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It's gonna be very,
Yeah,
it's
it's
gonna be tough to
easier.
do the job.
Yeah, it's easier to get job in Java development, because
Yeah.
there are a lot of companies, those who are ready to help you to crack
Yes.
the interview.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Uh-huh.
You can just pay a couple of $100 and they will help you to
Yeah.
pass the interview,
Yeah.
especially in Java development.
Yes.
Okay. Just pay $300, they will take the responsibility to make you
Okay.
pass.
Yeah. That's I think that would be the best route.
Okay. And even during the training, you can get job. No,
Yeah. Yeah. I
you
think
need to know only Java programming to get the job.
okay.
Okay.
Yes.
And rest.
I know.
Remember, you don't know anything about Java development, you are getting job.
Yes,
Now
yes.
it's a challenge for you to sustain in the project, right?
Yes.
And again, there are thousands of people ready there to help you on the job support. We call it on the
That's
job support.
that I had a friend doing this. He just that he couldn't share who and what, because that's what I wanted. So I think it's good.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, there are a lot of people who are helping during the interview, and they are using special software.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
They are getting connected with special software on your computer, and whatever they are telling you over the phone, it's being typed
Yes.
on the computer screen, and the interviewer, they cannot see it.
Yes. And I'll just be
Yeah, you are just
improvising.
reading it out very
Yes.
professionally.
Yes. Just be improvising. Yes.
And when interviewer are telling you, could you please share your screen? Could you please give a solution to this code? The support engineer is taking control of your computer
Yes.
and giving the solution. You are just reading it out.
Yeah.
And after you get job,
Yes.
again, there are some engineers who are ready to help you on monthly basis. You are paying maybe around $700 to $1,200 per month. You are making, suppose you are making 8 to 10K per month and spending 1K behind the support until you feel comfortable to do the project by yourself.
Yes.
Maybe it will take 6 months. Okay. Within 6 months, now you are comfortable to handle the project by yourself. Just say, from next month, I don't need any support.
Okay. I think that's the right plan. Yes.
Okay. Since you know most of the tools and technologies,
Yes. At least I have
yeah,
I have
6 months,
decent.
6 months, 6 months is good enough to learn Java development.
Yes. And there's no way to speed up the time.
yes, then you have to attend the classes more often.
Okay.
Okay, we can speed up.
Okay.
Okay, I personally teach Java development and automation by myself.
Okay.
And we have another instructor who teaches information security.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
which route you want to take?
I think
Java,
the last route, kind of speeding up everything and
Java,
having
Java,
somebody, yes, having
Java.
somebody do the interview and whichever, whichever you think is fast and will get me out there. Yes.
Okay. You can learn faster automation because most of the tools and technologies you're already familiar with.
Yes, I'm kind of familiar.
Automation will be really quick to learn, but it will quicker to land a job.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we have training and job placement program. We have two how we do it. One is we help you training and job placement. Okay,
Yes. Okay.
especially in automation.
Yeah.
We train and market you by ourselves. Okay,
Okay.
we do it. We don't take any help from others.
All right.
For Java developer, we work with two other companies. Actually, they prepare resume and they put maybe they will put 7 to 9 years experience
Okay. That's fine.
Java. So you are uh, going to the job as a senior engineer,
Okay.
and your salary will be suppose $65 per hour to maybe $100. Okay,
Okay.
65 to $100. Now the company helping us, they don't take money from us.
Okay.
They don't take money from you. Okay, but what they are doing, they are running your payroll. Okay, they are taking 20% first year and second year. So still after taking 20%, you will be making around 90 to 100K.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I kind of have heard about it, and I don't think it's bad. I think it's
Not
good.
bad. Yeah, it's
It's
good.
fair.
And
Yes.
they are giving you every support. They are
Yes.
giving you support engineers. Okay.
Yes.
You are paying very little for them, like
Oh,
around 600 to 700. Like every day, they will help you 2 hours to complete your project.
okay.
Actually, in real world, those who are developers, they are working 2 hours only.
Okay.
They can complete things in 2 hours.
Yes.
But some projects, definitely they are working more, maybe 3 hours or 4 hours. Then
Yes.
you have to pay here around 1K to 1200 per month. still it's good. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, you need only 6 months. You need support only 6 months. Okay. After 6
Okay.
months or 3 months, you understand how the project is going on. Now you can complete the project by yourself. Then you can just say, from next month, I don't need any support. You don't need to pay.
All right.
Okay. Is it okay?
I think it's fair. Yes.
So, if you don't mind, how old are you?
I'm 47 now. Yes.
47. Fantastic. Okay. It really doesn't matter in this industry.
Okay.
The more
Yes.
age you have, the more you are experienced.
Exactly.
The more valuable
Why?
you are.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
That.
So your position will be senior software
That's
engineer
fine.
or senior Java developer or senior consultant.
Okay.
Senior consultant.
Yes.
So now you have to choose either one, which route you want to take. Remember, support is available here too.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think which one will pay the most? Is it that's a developer, right?
Yes, there is no limitation. You
Yes.
can make
Yes. And
maybe after a year, you will be making another 10K. Every
yeah.
year you are raising 10K, 10K, 10K.
Yeah, I
So
think that's the best one, yes.
sky is the limit here.
Yes.
Okay. But here, after 125, you stuck. Maybe at best you can go 150 in
Yeah.
pure
But let me
automation.
ask you, which one can we get the job much faster? That just the whole thing.
Definitely developer
Then let's go for that.
faster
So
because
yes,
less competition here. You are competing only 5 people. You are competing here with 20 people.
exactly.
Maybe
Yes,
you are competing only for 3.
yes. I think that'll
And
be the
when
best.
when you are competing with 5 people, actually they are maybe 3 are fresher, they are attending by themselves, but you are taking help from others, so
Yeah.
you are standing out.
Yes, and since we're gonna do it this way, we'll probably, like I said, have to kind of speed up the time, kind of brush me up a little bit so that, maybe during meetings, I can be very fluent.
Mhm.
Yes.
You can sustain in the job very easily because you are working. You know the
Yes.
environment,
Yes.
you know tools and technologies. Just you need some more
Exactly.
extra skills,
Yes, yes.
nothing else.
Yes, I think it's good that I'm not just new to everything.
Yes, and you already know, I believe, HTML, CSS, and little JavaScript, right?
Yes.
You know how to create web pages.
Yes. Hmm.
Okay. Do you know uh, any framework like
Um,
JavaScript framework like Angular? Are you familiar with it?
um, I know that,
Okay.
you
Or
know,
React?
yeah, I
No
think,
problem. Actually,
yes.
they never ask you question on Angular and React. If you are attending the interview as a Java developer, they will not ask you any question on React, or they
Okay.
don't. And you don't need to work on it, but they just ask you, how long have you been working with Angular framework?
Yeah.
7 years. Okay, fine. They don't ask any question here because you're not working on this framework. There are front-end developers who is working on this framework.
Yes.
But on the resume, you have to mention, I know this, blah,
That
blah,
that's
blah. Okay.
yeah.
They will focus on Java in Java related frameworks
Yeah, okay.
and the
Oh,
tools and technologies,
yes,
that you know already.
that is fine. That's no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
So how do we get started? Let me ask you.
Okay. Now, for training, for QA automation training, how it works, we take 4K, 4,000,
Uh-huh.
and after you get job within 6 months, you will pay another 4K. So total we are charging actually 8K, okay, for automation.
Okay.
Charging 8K, 4K upfront, or you can make 2 installments, and 4K after you get job within 6 months. Now some people after getting job they don't keep any connection. Goodbye. You know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, most of them they do it. Okay, you can also do it too. No issues. Okay, and for Java, we do the same. Okay, in that case, you have to pay for the interview. Those who will be helping you per interview, they charge like 110 to 150. Usually, you can crack interview in just 1 to 5 interviews. Some people crack at first, some people second, usually. Some
Okay.
people at third. If you are bad luck, maybe fifth.
Yes.
So around the budget for interview, like 1,000.
Yes.
But you can make it within 200, maybe. Okay? You never know. So
Yeah.
we don't take it. Another, that is we call, you see, job guarantee program. There we charge 12K for both. Okay. After 12 months, if you cannot land a job, we refund 12K. Okay. You can find job on second month or 12th month. Usually people get job within fourth month. Very rare on sixth. Okay. Some are cracking the interview just after second month, after they know object-oriented programming. Okay. Mostly they ask you questions on um, programming fundamentals, core concepts, programming in the framework. What project are you working on?
Yes.
Actually, you are reading out from your screen. Okay, they are asking question. Then at the end, maybe they are telling you, could you please share your screen? We are giving you 2 coding challenges. Okay, you are not coding.
Oh, yeah.
Support engineer is coding. You are just reading out the codes. Now you know Java, so now you can read it out very comfortably.
Yes. Okay.
So you can choose either one and let me know. Okay, by the way, you are by born American.
Was it?
You are American, right?
Yes.
By born.
Let me type it right here.
Okay. What is your name?
Reginald. Reginald.
Ray
Let me write it for you.
Okay.
That's it.
Reginald, right?
Yes, yes.
Reginald. Okay, thank you, sir. Do you have any question?
No, not right now. I guess what's going to happen is that I'm going to let me gather some money together, and hopefully maybe next week we can start.
Okay. Which program you want to
I
go?
think I mean the goal is to get a job and to get a job fast. I think is probably I'm heading toward the Java.
Java. Okay,
Mhm.
Java. And which program you want to take? The regular program or guaranteed program?
Just regular program.
Regular program. Okay, fantastic. All right. I'm texting you. You can reach me on that number.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Thank you so much. It
Not a
was
problem.
really great to be with you.
Thank
Okay.
you. All
Thank
right.
you so much.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you.
I'll keep in touch. Okay.
Right.
Bye bye.